Good morning. My name is Sir Dave, and welcome to my class.
So now let's work with editing and reviewing tools. So whenever you get back the printed copy of a report or project that you have previously submitted, you might often notice that your teacher used a red pen to cross out sentences, mark misspelled words, or add comments on the side of the paper. So this action can be done as well in electronic documents by using the comments and tracking features of Word. So in this lesson, we will learn how to add comments, track changes, and compare two versions of a document. So now, first, let's insert a comment. So comments are used in Word to provide feedback on a specific text or object. So to insert comments, do the following steps. First, highlights the text or place the insertion point to where you want to add a comment. Okay, so this will be the insertion point. Click the review tab, then click the new comment. Okay, and then type your comment. Then after typing your comment, click the escape key in your keyboard or simply click anywhere in your document. That will be the comment. Okay, you can also delete your comment. Simply click the comment that you want to delete, and then in the review tab, click delete. You can hide your comment. So if you want to hide your comment, simply go to tracking section or tracking group in the simple markup. Okay, select the no markup. So the show comment or the comment will be hide. To show the comment again, simply go to tracking group again, then go to markup, to no markup, and then click the simple markup. Now let's understand the track changes. So track changes is a feature that allows you to keep track of the changes made in a document. So when you turn on track changes in Word, every change you make will appear as a colored markup. So if you delete a text, it will not disappear, but will be crossed out instead. If you add text, it will be underlined. So this allows you to see edits before making changes permanent. So to track changes, okay, simply click the track changes in the review tab. Okay, this is the track changes. Then click the track changes. Then make sure that the simple markup will be all marked up. Okay, now highlights the part that you want to delete and then click delete. You will notice that the part that you deleted will be crossed out. So next is type Mr. De La Cruz. Notice that the added text is underlined. Okay. Now add some text here. Okay. Then delete this part. Okay. Then with the delete the company, then type department. Okay. So there are two actions for changes in the document: accept or reject. So for any changes that you agree with, click accept, then accept this change. So the change will be permanent. So if you disagree with any of the changes, you can reject them. So click reject, then reject change and proceed with more changes as needed. Okay, you can go in the review tab, then the changes group, then you can accept or reject your changes. But before accepting or rejecting changes, you may want to see the summary of the changes. So you can do so by displaying the reviewing pane. So from the review tab in the tracking group, click the review pane here. So the revisions will be displayed in your document. So to hide the reviewing pane again, after you reviewing your revisions, okay, you can simply click the X mark or close mark in the revisions, or simply click again the reviewing pane. So now let's accept the changes. Then click OK. Then finish your work and save your document. So now let's compare our document. So comparing documents. So if you edit a document without enabling track changes, it is still possible to use the accept and reject commands. So you can do this by comparing two versions of the document. So all you need to do, or all you need, is the original document and the one with the changes or revisions. So the two documents must have different file names. So to do that, so from the review tab, okay, and then click the compare here, and then click compare, and then the compare dialog box will appear. In the original document, select a file that you want to open for your original document. Make sure that you have a new document here. Okay, so let's select the first track changes and the revised document, the track changes too, and then click OK. So if the track changes is activated in the last document, you can click yes. Okay, so here, this is the document that compared. No? Okay, so go to compare again, and then show source document, and then show both. Okay, to display the original document and then the revised document. Okay, so the original document and the revised document will be compared here in your new document. So this will be the compare result. Okay, now you can accept or reject the changes in your revisions for your new document. So let's accept all. and then click OK. Then now you can hide again the source document, then click the revisions and save your document. So now let's protect our document. So by default, anyone who has access to your document will be able to open, copy, and edit its content unless you protect it. So protect means to keep your computer files safe from revisions, theft, unauthorized use, or damage to data, software, and hardware. So there are several ways to protect a document depending on your needs. So Word has a feature called restrict editing that limits unnecessary editing and formatting by others. So to do that, so let's go to the View tab and then click the restrict editing. Okay, and then click the select the start enforcement or editing restriction. Sorry, it means that the file cannot be edited. Okay, and then here in the start enforcement, click the yes start enforcement protection. So the start enforcing protection dialog box will appear, so you can add a password. Okay, and then enter a new password. Sorry, and then re-enter the password to confirm, and then click OK. So once the restricting editing is done, okay, you can edit the file. So the document is now protected. Okay, even you can edit your document unless you remove the password. Okay, so to restrict or to remove the password, simply go again to the restrict editing. Okay, and then here click the stop protection, then enter the password, then click OK. So after that, you can now edit your document. Okay. So that's the way to work with editing and reviewing tools. So thank you for listening.
That's all for today. God bless.